In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contractor on Freshbooks. It's a straightforward process, and by the end, you'll be perfectly equipped to bring new team members on board your Freshbooks account with ease. Let's dive right in. First of all, you'll need to navigate to your Freshbooks dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu. From here, look for the section labeled Team Members. This is your starting point where you can manage your entire team. Click on that section, and it will take you to a page displaying all current team members associated with your account. Once here, keep an eye out for the Add Team Member button. It's generally easy to spot, located in the top right corner of the page. This button is your gateway to onboarding new people. Give that a click, and a pop-up window will appear, ready for you to input your contractor's information. In the pop-up window, you'll need to provide some basic information about the contractor. This includes their first name, last name, and email address. It's crucial to double-check these details for accuracy. A typo in the email address, for example, could lead to confusion or delays in getting your contractor set up. The next step is to assign the new team member the role of contractor. Freshbooks allows different roles to be assigned to team members, each with varying levels of access and permissions. Be sure to select Contractor, which will give your new team member the specific access they need without compromising security or access to other sensitive parts of your organization. Once you've reviewed everything and ensured the information is correct, you're ready to move forward. Click Continue or the Send Invite button, depending on what option appears for you at this juncture. This action triggers an email invitation to be sent to your contractor. Your contractor will receive an email inviting them to join your Freshbooks account. This email is crucial because it contains a link that they must click on to accept the invitation and begin setting up their account. It's a simple process on their end as well, straightforward and easy to follow. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a contractor to Freshbooks. Remember, accurate information and clear communication are key to making the process smooth for you and your new team member. If you have more contractors to add, you can repeat this process as needed. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to explore more ways to optimize your Freshbooks experience. Happy managing!